Norman from Koh Samui, Thailand.
Hi there and welcome to Samui Fishing Club in Thailand. This is my first day back and I couldn't wait to get the rods out. This is the first episode in a 3-part series, so if you like fishing, come and join me. Let's see what we can catch. It's been a slow morning today. The last thing I like can I just not fish for Mekongs. Obviously I'm here for 3 days, so kind of want to catch other species first. So I've caught two tambaki. There's the other one I've caught Wells catfish, and I've just caught my first Siamese this trip. Keep getting liners. Then I missed a hooked in a decent fish earlier on, and it's the hook bent out and it's came off. So I don't know, maybe the drag's been set too hard when I've struck it and it's come out. But quite glad I've caught some different species. Uh-oh. Whoop. That or go back and it. The fishing's getting a bit slow, so the girl just put chicken heart on. That's me caught my first Mekong. Don't know, what, like 30 pun or something after it. Oh, this left rod's a bit to go. So I'm guessing I'm going to be catching Mekong now. Till later on, put fish on, maybe try for some gar or carapina or something. my first turn back here. Just about to go for lunch. 12 o'clock you go for lunch, everybody goes for lunch for an hour. It gives the gillies a chance to get their break as well, which is fair, to be honest with you. Gives everybody a chance to recharge. So I think it's about 40 minutes left for lunch. Get it there? Yeah, that's fine, it's okay. Okay? Okay.
It was lovely. I'm just doing your homework right now.
So just back from lunch, we're straight into a small yard. First one of the Koh Samui Fishing Club trip. It's a tiny one, but I need to get a bigger one. Get a good pull on the rod.
Yeah.
That's the biggest one, isn't it? Must be.
Yeah.
Look at us.
Soaked. Is that away? Is it away? Away? We'll have a thumbs down for that one.
So we're now on our sixth tambaki. That last one got away.
Ok. Chú, mua một câu này nè. Đi đây nè. Nha. Đi.
Hey.
Just had a surprise visit for another timer. Brilliant.
Oi, this has got to be the funniest video with your face I've ever seen. Like, try smiling properly.
Okay, thank you. That was a very productive day. 7 species: black shark minnow, wild catfish, tambaki, Siamese carp, alligator gar, arapaima, and 2 mekong. Pretty good going considering I wasn't targeting any very many predators. Lovely.